Hey, so we are poking out just at the moment here, the 1 hour range. We've been waiting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, many hours now, probably 12 hours plus. We're waiting to see what happens here because I've closed out pretty much most of the profits and, well, I've closed all the trade to be honest. There's nothing running at the moment, and I do get a little bit uncomfortable when I'm out of the markets and price moves. It's just because I'm trading pretty much every day, every minute. I've done for the last 2 years now, since 2020, and when we're moving like this and we're having consolidation, I just don't want to miss that re-entry. Okay, so these RSIs sitting up in this higher area can mean a couple of different things, and I'm looking to re-enter just very small, but I would be more comfortable if we have a retracement down either to the 1 hour level or the TRENDMASTER level. Okay, if we retest this TRENDMASTER level, then it could be a nice entry point. Alternatively, we could retest this 4 hour level. So there's a couple of different options on the table. So quite simply, we're going to set some alerts. We've got some alerts here at the lower end of this kind of box region. Then we can have another alert at the 4 hour level there, and then just set one more alert for the TRENDMASTER level, which there's already an alert there. Okay, so let's jump into the 4 hour chart real quick. Keeping it simple, just put a little horizontal right at the top wick there, which this is the wick that interests me. So we've got a wick there, and then you can see the price has just hit that and we've come back down. We are up kind of overbought on the RSI here. I do have it at 80, so it is not default settings. Yeah, that's about it. So touch that kind of horizontal grey wick, we've come back down, we've retested that 4 hour level, we're kind of supporting on that, so we're pushing down here, sat there, come back up to that level, and we've just tried to push higher, but very quickly we've moved back down. So what does that tell us? It just tells us that it's just a bit indecisive at the moment, and honestly I think we could see a retracement here. That move has just pulled in some long positions, but we're going to see now what this boundary is. This TRENDMASTER, this lower boundary here, okay, this where we entered yesterday, okay, on that boundary, we've come down, retested the TRENDMASTER, gone up to the first area, retraced onto the boundary, look, 1, 2, move up, 1, 2, move up, okay, consolidation, touch the boundary, try to move up. So here, we've just touched, kind of just poked our head outside the top of that 1 hour level, and now we've moved down. We're actually printing a shooting star here, which could be the point where we see this retrace, but it's a bit too early to tell. I need to have a look at the news releases, see what's happening there, gold charts, etc. But just to reiterate, we're out of the trade now. We're scoping for some re-entries, and we'll go from there. So range at the moment is still the same. We're literally at the top of that range now. This is the max range. If we break to the upside, then we could be looking at an uptrend now, and this TRENDMASTER is going to be the leader. Okay, we've already caught the initial entry. In fact, we caught the bottom initial entry on the TRENDMASTER, and now we're looking to manage this long-term kind of trade to the upside, but short-term in and out management. Okay, so with that being said, I'm going to sign off. Just a couple of notes on the Discord channel. So guys, the Discord channel, we've got this is the private area now, and the BTC TRENDMASTER, FracShare TRENDMASTER, and then we've got the alpha chat where we're sharing some very interesting bits of information. That's where we're going to be sharing our stuff, chatting about our thoughts, our investments, etc. We've got some good guys in there which are traders. We're not just people trying to learn TA, we're actually active traders working towards certain goals. The TRENDMASTER questions, where you can come in here and ask questions about the TRENDMASTER. If you've got queries, how to work it, where to put my stop loss, where would you take profits, etc. And in here is our thoughts on our crypto trades, and yeah, so some good stuff in here.